So in this vid, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to use cheat engine to get unlimited amounts of money or ammo to play your favorite game without any limitations. And the process will be the same for most of the games. But don't use it to mod online multiplayer games. That's a fast track to getting banned, and we don't do that here. So first head to your favorite browser and type cheat engine. Then you'll see a website of cheatengine.org. Open this website and there will be a huge button saying download me buddy please. Click that bad boy, download it. There are some other ways, but the easiest one is this. When the downloading has completed, you can launch the installer, but wait. If you get stuck in any problem while installing the software, then go to your Windows security section, turn off the extra stuff for a while. Also, you can disable app protection as well, but you can turn them back on after the installation is completed. Now run the installer and click the skip all button in the left corner and hit install. It will take some time depending on your network speed, and hooray, now you have your personal arsenal. You'll see this type of interface. Because I'm here to teach you how to use cheat engine, I'm using example prompts, but trust me, the process is the same. You have to learn how things work. Step 2, attach to process. Alright, let's get into it. First thing you gotta do is attach cheat engine to your game. Click that flashing computer icon in the top left. That's your open process button. Find your game's executable in the list. Click open, boom, you're in. CE can now read and write to that game's memory. It's like having admin access to the game's brain. Basic exact value scan. Here's where the magic happens. Say you've got 100 health. In CE, set value type to 4 bytes, most health is stored here, and scan type to exact value. Enter 100, hit for scan, CE will find every memory address holding the number 100. There'll be hundreds, maybe thousands of results, that's okay. Now go back to the game, take some damage, your health drops to 90, pause the game if you need to. In CE, enter 90. Hit next scan, the list shrinks. Repeat this cycle until you've got one address left, that's your health. Right click it, add it to the address list below and double click the value to change it. Set that to 9999, freeze it so it stays locked. Now go back to the game, you're literally unkillable, it's giving I'm inevitable vibe. Unfound interval value, but what if you don't know the number? Maybe the game hides it, or it's a progress bar with no exact value. Don't stress. Set scan type to unknown initial value. Hit first scan. This grabs everything like shooting in the dark. Now change the value in game. If it goes down, use decreased value and hit next scan. If it goes up, use increased value. Repeat this until the list is small enough to test. It's more work, but it slays when you need it. Once you find the right address, change it to 5000 or whatever goal you're chasing. The game will update and you'll be cooking. Step 5, floating points. Some values are decimals. Health regen, ammo counts, timers. They're often stored as float or double. If your exact value scan comes up empty, switch to float and try again. For super precise numbers, use double. Same process, scan, change, scan again. You'll get there. Step 6, find what writes to address. Sometimes changing the value isn't enough, the game just resets it. That's when you need to find the code. Right-click the address and select find out what writes to this address. CE attaches a debugger and watches the address. Now change the value in-game. CE will show you the instruction that changed it. Just click replace and CE will replace that code with NOPS, which means no operation. This means the game can't write to that address anymore. Your value stays logged. This is where you start to see how deep the rabbit hole goes. Next move gonna find your health. Edit your ammo, inject your own code. The game's yours now, go slay, and if you like this breakdown, drop a comment, tell me your biggest flex with cheat engine. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.